Hi gang, this is Mike G from Mr. GTV, and this is day one of your divination training. What's divination? Well, divination comes from the word the divine. It's your divine training. You might think at the moment that you've got no reason to do this. Let me explain that there's lots of good reasons to do this. Most of us live a physical life, and at the moment that physical life is getting tough and challenging. You might be doing well, but if you look around you, there's other people that aren't doing well. They're almost like in hell. You can get away from hell, you can get away from evil, and you can raise your vibration and make a connection to the divine, align with the divine, and get inspiration and information from the divine. And the way that you do that, in my opinion, is by connecting to the divine and asking good questions. Whoever asks the best questions gets the best answers. And with these best answers aligned to the divine, you'll find your path through this physical world a lot more guided, a lot more fulfilling, because you'll be doing the right things rather than just doing things right. A lot of people do the wrong things right. If you want to know what you should be doing, then you can ask some questions and get some answers. I'll be teaching you many methods this year, but we'll start with dowsing. And you need a pendulum. Now, I've collected over the years lots and lots of pendulums. The two that I'm going to be using during this training this week, and this is going to go on for 7 days, so keep checking back. And it would be really useful to include your friends and family, to tell them about it, get them to come into the group, the Mr. GTV Facebook group, get them to like and subscribe it, comment and contribute, participate, be part of this. It's your group, not mine. I've got this one, which is obsidian on a drop pendulum. And I've also got, for the purpose of this training course, pure quartz rock crystal, again on a pendulum drop. But just in case you wanted to know where I got these from, you can get them on eBay. You can get them in certain Facebook groups. You can get them from crystal shops. I actually, if you live in North Wales, got these from the copper mine on the Great Orme in Llandudno. It's a wonderful shop. They sell some fantastic crystals, and these drops came from there, and they're not expensive, but there's plenty of places around North Wales, and particularly in Old Colwyn. I can't remember the name of the shop, but Debbie does crystals in Old Colwyn, a wonderful shop. So I'll put the link onto that when I can remember. But anyway, these are the ones that I'm going to be using, and others. But if you've got at least one of these, you can work on this course. And if you haven't got one of these, you can literally get a piece of cotton or a piece of thread, and you could hang a ring on it. This is an obsidian ring, it's not a wedding ring. I wear an obsidian ring on my heart finger. So I could hang that ring, or if it was a silver ring or a gold ring or any sort of ring, curtain ring, an earring, off a piece of cotton, that would make a pendulum. Or a key, some people use a key. Key has a hole in it sometimes, hole in it, put the cotton through, and you've got a dangly pendulum. You just want something that will act like this. Now, in the introduction tonight, the live introduction, this is the 22nd of May, and it's Monday, so I'm going to be coming live every day. I'm going to be putting tutorials in text. I'm going to be which is information. I'm going to be giving inspirational demonstrations, and I'm going to be doing lots of talky interactive stuff. So keep checking back. You're going to find this fascinating. As I say, you're going to get all your questions answered. And the trick is to actually do it. It's not just to know it, it's to do it. I've taught Reiki to people, I've taught self-hypnosis to people, I've taught martial arts to people, I've taught acupressure to people, massage to people, a whole range of disciplines that I'm qualified to use, share and teach. And I would probably say that many people nod and are fascinated and go, oh, that's excellent, but they don't do it. It's like psychometry and chi, working with energy. Everybody wants to do it, and usually around about the 3rd or 4th day they give up. So don't be like this, because this is absolutely life-changing. Study this week. It's going to be quite simple. I'm going to keep it simple. Keep checking back. I'm probably going to do about 30 minutes every day, but it will stay in the group and you can put your comments in. I will answer all your comments, and there's going to be some interactive stuff as well. And incorporate this new metaphysical practice of dowsing, using your pendulum and divination into your physical day. We live a physical life. We live in a physical realm, a physical dimension. But the clues that you need, the guidance that you need, the inspiration, the information that you need comes through your connection with elemental forces and other spiritual dimensions. And that's what I'll be sharing with you, and we'll start tonight. Can't wait to get going. Get your pendulum sorted out, because everything's going to be practical, everything's going to be useful for work, life, business, health, relationships, success, happiness. You're going to love this. Tell your friends, keep checking back, enjoy your mind, sort yourself out a pendulum. Catch you later.